Hey everybody, welcome back to NSB. Here we are, a new beginning of the first of the year, and got the No Name Nationals out of the way. Got another one coming, but at this point, you see I got the green car, the green '66 Belvedere, back in, and we pretty much got most of all the parts that I need to at least get the motor stuck in the car. Now, it's not going to make it run, but we can at least get it in. You know, with the motor mounts, the oil pan, intake, I got quite a bit of stuff. So on these next couple videos, we're going to get the motor off the engine stand and marry it back to the motor and get it back in the car. So let's get with it. One good thing about this job, it is a lay-down job. Holy shit. They was scared that plug wasn't going to fall out. Hopefully we don't make too big of a mess here. That didn't work. How about that mess? Well, the oil drain didn't go too good. My damn oil pan, it's set outside over here beside the garage, and this Florida sun is just treacherous to the point where I guess it dry rotted my pan and had a big crack in it. I didn't see it. So it poured out, but luckily I got it all cleaned up, and I do have a mop bucket, so we got it cleaned up. So we're gonna go back for round two. There's the oil pan, got her off. Yeah. They had these two big ones and they had this little one here and here up in their head and I couldn't see it. The heavy duty oil pan, that's for sure. Alright, now we got the oil pan off, we're gonna flip it over and see how much water pours out of the damn thing. Well, there it goes. I knew he was going to get some. That's the reason I kept the mop bucket. So we got the oil pan off. It looks really clean down through the windage tray there. I don't want to pop it up just yet until I check the gaskets. My new oil pan, if I won't have two or not. It's really clean down in there. So now I'm going to take these motor mounts off, and this one here got destroyed. They don't tell me how bad that was. So let's open the new oil pan, see if it's right. styrofoam. Wow. Look, it comes with windage tray and all. It's got pictures. New relocation for the pickup. You do notice that was ordered from Holley. Wow. Big cast aluminum one too. And it comes with all the bolts. Damn. It's even got gasket already built onto the oil pan. That looks like it.
The reason you got to do that, that's rear sump. So to go to
That's weird.
old style, you got to go mid sump, right?
There's 2 bolts missing, but you don't need it because this ain't bolted to that transmission. You know, notice that one, it's got 2 big mounts. That actually mounts to the transmission. This don't have it. So you have 2 big bolts that help hold it to the back of the block. Not bad.
Sure.
You got your knife on you?
Do the part numbers.
What it is, windage tray. There you go. Take a look inside here. Rather clean. Thing looks pretty good, isn't it? As you can see, the teeth back here. That's your crank trigger. Right here's the wire that plugs in, and you can see it comes through the block that tells it when to fire off the crank. So it's got a crank trigger on it already. So we got the oil pan off. I got the motor mounts took out. We checked out the new oil pan, came with a new windage tray, all the bolts. All we got to do is get it put back on. Unfortunately, I got to work tomorrow, so I can only get so much done in the evenings here. So we're going to call it for tonight. At least I got this step done. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get in. We'll put the oil pan back on, get it turned back over, and get a little farther along with it. The motor looks really clean. And always check your oil pan for holes in it. You won't make a mess in the floor. So that's all in this video. Till next time.